Zhouhe 45-meter aerial lift truck. Lightweight design of the whole vehicle, welded with high-strength steel. Remote control with soft start and stop, limit speed. 7-section chain telescopic structure boom, built-in broken chain protector, interlock system to prevent misoperation and safety accidents. High-strength aluminum alloy working platform, deployable width reach 3.2 meters, hydraulic 360-degree rotation, static hydraulic auto-leveling of the working platform. Soft leg alarm, providing all-round security protection. Standard unilateral support operation, suitable for a narrow job site. Overweight automatic protection is the worthy choice for your purchase.